Starting a small business is like planting a seed. It's full of potential, but it takes nurturing, care, and a whole lot of love to blossom into something truly remarkable. Imagine your small business idea not just surviving, but thriving, growing into a force to be reckoned with in the world. That's what we're diving into today, the journey of transforming your small business dream into a massive success story. Think of those iconic businesses we all admire. They started small too, fueled by passion, innovation, and an unwavering belief in their vision. What sets them apart is their ability to scale, to grow and expand while staying true to their core values. That's the magic we're about to unlock together. We'll explore the essential steps to not only start your small business, but also to navigate the exciting and sometimes challenging path to sustainable growth. Get ready to roll up your sleeves, unleash your inner entrepreneur, and turn your small business aspirations into a reality that's bigger and bolder than you ever thought possible. This is about more than just making a profit. It's about creating something meaningful, something that makes a real impact. Are you ready? Let's do this.
Before we dive into the nitty-gritty of launching and scaling, we need to lay the foundation with a killer business idea. This is the bedrock upon which everything else will be built, so it's crucial to get it right from the start. This isn't just about picking something random from a list. It's about finding that one idea that resonates deeply with you, something that you can see yourself working on for years to come. It's about uncovering an idea that genuinely excites you, something that lights a fire in your belly and makes you jump out of bed each morning, raring to go. This kind of enthusiasm is infectious and can be the driving force behind your business's success. Think about your passions, your skills, and the problems you see in the world that you're itching to solve. These are the areas where you can make the most impact and find the most satisfaction. What are you naturally drawn to? What activities make you lose track of time because you're so engrossed in them? What do you spend hours researching or chatting about with friends? These conversations can often reveal hidden passions and interests that you might not have considered as potential business ideas. These are clues pointing you towards your sweet spot, the intersection of what you love and what the world needs. This sweet spot is where your business idea will have the most potential for success and personal fulfillment. Brainstorm, doodle, talk to people, explore different industries. Don't limit yourself to what you already know. Be open to new experiences and perspectives. Don't be afraid to get curious and let your imagination run wild. Sometimes the best ideas come from the most unexpected places. Remember, the best business ideas often stem from a personal place, a desire to create something valuable, to make a difference. This personal connection can be a powerful motivator and can help you stay committed to your business, even when things get tough. Trust your gut, follow your curiosity, and don't be afraid to think outside the box. Innovation often comes from challenging the status quo and looking at things from a different angle. This is your chance to bring something unique and special to the world, something that reflects your personality and passions. Your business should be a reflection of who you are and what you believe in. Embrace the journey of discovery, and you'll unearth a business idea that not only has the potential for success, but also brings you immense joy and fulfillment along the way. The process of finding your business idea should be enjoyable and enlightening, a journey of self-discovery that leads to a rewarding and meaningful venture.
Okay, you've got your brilliant business idea, and you're probably feeling pretty pumped. The excitement of a new venture can be exhilarating, and it's easy to get carried away with the possibilities. But before you go all in, it's crucial to pump the brakes for a moment and validate your idea. This step is often overlooked, but is essential for long-term success. This means making sure there's an actual demand for what you're offering. Without demand, even the best ideas can fall flat. Think of it like dipping your toes in the water before diving headfirst into the pool. You want to ensure the water is just right before taking the plunge. How do you test the waters? Start by talking to your target audience. Conduct surveys, gather feedback, and listen to what potential customers have to say. Engage in social media conversations, join relevant groups, and participate in discussions to understand the needs and pain points of your audience. And even consider launching a pre-sale to gauge interest. A pre-sale can provide valuable insights into how much people are willing to pay and what features they value most. Don't be afraid to put your idea out there and see how people respond. Early feedback can be incredibly valuable and can help you refine your concept. Another critical step is conducting thorough market research. Analyze your competitors, understand their strategies, and see what's working for them. Understand their strengths and weaknesses, and look for gaps in the market that you can fill. This will help you position your product or service more effectively. Identify opportunities where you can differentiate yourself. What unique value can you offer that others can't? This differentiation is key to standing out in a crowded market. This helps you refine your offering, understand your target market better, and position yourself for success. Continuous refinement based on market feedback is crucial. Remember, market validation is not about finding everyone will love your idea. It's about finding a niche market that is passionate about your product. It's about identifying a viable market, a group of people who are genuinely excited about what you have to offer and willing to pay for it. This group will be your early adopters and advocates. By taking these steps, you're not just mitigating risk, you're gathering valuable insights that will shape your business strategy, product development, and marketing efforts. These insights are the foundation of a successful business, ultimately increasing your chances of building a thriving and sustainable business. A well-validated idea is more likely to attract investors, gain customer loyalty, and achieve long-term success. So take the time to validate your idea thoroughly. It's an investment in your future success.
Now that you've validated your idea, and you know there's a market hungry for what you're serving, it's time to take the next crucial step. This step involves laying down a solid foundation for your business, ensuring that every aspect is meticulously planned and thought out. It's time to create a roadmap for your business journey. This roadmap will serve as your guide, helping you navigate through the complexities of the business world and ensuring that you stay on track towards achieving your goals. This is where your business plan comes in. A well-crafted business plan is not just a document, it's a strategic tool that outlines your vision and the steps you need to take to turn that vision into reality. Think of it as your trusty GPS, guiding you towards your destination and helping you navigate any detours along the way. Just like a GPS, your business plan will provide you with directions, but it's up to you to follow them and make adjustments as needed. A comprehensive business plan outlines your business goals, target market, marketing and sales strategies, financial projections, and more. It's a detailed blueprint that covers every aspect of your business, from the initial concept to the day-to-day operations. It's a living document that evolves as your business grows, providing clarity, direction, and a framework for making informed decisions. As your business environment changes, so too should your business plan, ensuring that it remains relevant and effective. Start by defining your business mission and vision. Your mission statement should clearly articulate the purpose of your business, while your vision statement should outline your long-term goals and aspirations. What problem are you solving, and what impact do you want to make in the world? Identifying the core problem your business addresses is crucial, as it will guide your strategies and decisions. And what impact do you want to make in the world? Consider the broader implications of your business and how it can contribute positively to society. Next, outline your target market, their needs, and how your product or service meets those needs. Understanding your target market is essential for developing effective marketing and sales strategies, and how your product or service meets those needs. Conduct thorough market research to gain insights into your customers' preferences, behaviors, and pain points. Don't shy away from the numbers. Develop financial projections, including revenue forecasts, expense budgets, and cash flow statements. These projections will help you understand the financial health of your business and make informed decisions. This helps you understand your financial needs, secure funding if necessary, and track your progress over time. Whether you're seeking investment or managing your own finances, having a clear financial plan is crucial, and track your progress over time. Regularly reviewing your financial performance will help you stay on top of your business's financial health and make necessary adjustments. Remember, your business plan is not meant to be a rigid document. It should be flexible and adaptable, allowing you to pivot and adjust your strategies as needed. It's a tool for guiding your decisions, helping you stay focused on your goals while remaining adaptable to changes in the market. Adapting to changes in the market and staying focused on your goals. Embrace the process and be prepared to make adjustments as you learn and grow, and staying focused on your goals. Embrace the process, be realistic in your projections, and celebrate your milestones along the way. Be realistic in your projections, and don't be afraid to seek feedback from mentors and advisors. Their insights can provide valuable perspectives and help you refine your plan. And don't be afraid to seek feedback from mentors and advisors. Their experience and knowledge can be invaluable as you navigate the challenges of building a business. With a well-crafted business plan in hand, you'll be well equipped to navigate the exciting journey ahead. This plan will serve as your guide, helping you stay focused, make informed decisions, and achieve your business goals. You'll be well equipped to navigate the exciting journey ahead. So take the time to craft a comprehensive business plan and set yourself up for success in your entrepreneurial journey.